Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been searching for volatility or synthetic indices on TradingView and found yourself coming up empty, then this is the tutorial for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where and how to find these indices, and you'll be able to chart them using tools that feel just like TradingView. Let's jump right in and clear up all the confusion around this topic right now. So here's the first thing you need to know. If you go directly to TradingView and search for volatility indices or synthetic indices, you probably notice something frustrating. Most, if not all, of them just aren't available. This happens because TradingView doesn't natively support these specific indices since they're unique to platforms like Deriv. Now, if you've spent some time hunting around or clicking through different search terms, you'll know how discouraging it can feel. But don't worry, there's a simple and reliable solution. What you'll want to do next is open up a new tab in your browser. Then type in this URL https://chartsderiv.com/deriv. This might look unfamiliar at first, but trust me, it's about to make your trading life so much easier. This site is actually powered by Deriv's own charting system, but here's the great part. It's built using the same powerful charting tools as TradingView. That means you still get access to all the technical analysis features and drawing tools you love, just in a slightly different environment. Alright, now once you're on that page, the layout should feel very familiar. Along the top, you'll see the symbol search bar, just like on TradingView. Go ahead and click on that search box. This is where you'll be able to look up all of the volatility and synthetic indices that just weren't showing up on TradingView itself. Type in volatility index, or try entering the specific names or numbers, like volatility 75, volatility 100, or whatever synthetic instrument you're interested in. As you start typing, you'll see a whole list of synthetic indices populate, available for charting. Once you've found the index you want, click to select it, and the chart will load right in front of you. You can now use all the tools from trend lines to indicators, just like you would on TradingView. It might take a moment for the chart to load, especially if your connection's a bit slow, so don't worry if you need to give it a few seconds. This approach is not just a workaround, it's actually the method most synthetic traders use daily. Think of it as switching radio stations to find your favorite music. Sometimes you just need to know where to tune in. Using Deriv's charting site, you're not missing out on any of the powerful features you're used to on TradingView. You're just accessing a different channel that actually carries the content you're looking for. And that's really all there is to it. Instead of sticking with TradingView and feeling stuck, you're using a specialized charting tool that gives you full access to those elusive volatility and synthetic indices. So give it a try, bookmark the Deriv chart site, and next time you need these indices, you'll know exactly where to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and drop any questions you have in the comments below. I love helping out. And if you want more straightforward trading tips and platform guides, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.